study looks at 29 different items in 7 different categories. These are typical things seniors spend their money on. And we look at how much money people have lost over the period of time. This year we found that seniors have lost almost 24% of their buying power, yet their expenses have more than doubled. And what we're finding is that COLAs are not keeping up with senior expenses. Let me put this in context. If they could afford $100 of something in 2000, today they can only afford 76. If they could buy 4 oranges in 2000, today they can only buy 3. COLAs have only gone up 31%, but Medicare premium, Part B premiums have gone up 143%. Eggs, milk, bread, oranges, meat, all of those are going up by double digits. Heating oil, 150%. Regular gas, 118%. 10 pounds of potatoes, up 67%. Eggs, up 93%. Bread, up 50%. When we get email and letters from seniors, we frequently hear that they are making some very tough decisions about what they're spending their money on. Sometimes they have to split their drugs. Sometimes they don't even fill their prescriptions. Sometimes they go without nutritious food. Sometimes they can't pay their electric bills. The problem we have today, COLAs are calculated using a consumer price index that measures what younger workers spend their money on and not what seniors spend their money on. Younger people do not have as many healthcare costs as older folks. There is something seniors can do, and that's to contact the Senior Citizens League. The Senior Citizens League can tell you how you can support legislation that will provide a more fair cost of living adjustment and to more accurately reflect what you spend your money on.